Alright, so this is the video for my new plugin, GambleBarPro. It's the premium version of the GambleBar Lite plugin that I published recently, or updated recently. All the features from the free version of the plugin are still there. So if you want to open the default bar, you just do /bar, and it'll open up the default version. You can buy a drink, and then you right-click it, and you can see if you lose, you can, still have the nausea effect, configure that for however long you want. Right now it doesn't really seem major because I only have it set to 5 seconds, but if you set it for longer, then it'll be more noticeable. So here, as you can see, when you win a drink, not only do you get your money, but a new feature in the premium version is you can as many commands run from the console as you want for each drink. So right now I just have it set so that it'll broadcast the player's name and how much money they won, but you can change that to whatever you want, whether you want to give them more money or give them items for winning the drink or anything you want, really. So that's a new feature. Another new feature is you can have as many bars as you want as compared to just the one bar in the free version of the resource. So if you want to open up a different bar, you just do /bar space and then the bar ID. So it goes, the bar ID start at 0 and then they just go up. So the second bar ID would be 1. And this is the second bar that I have set up. As you can see, you can make the bar size bigger, as big as you want, really, as long as it's 54 is the maximum size, just because of Minecraft inventories. And it works just like the other bar. So another feature in the premium version is the give command. So if you want to give a drink to a player for voter rewards or whatever, you would just do bar give, their name, the bar ID, and then the drink slot. So this should give me a beer drink. Yep, it did. Because as you can see in the bar with the ID of 0, the first slot, which is, the number 0, that's a beer. So if I wanted to give myself a Smirnoff's Green Apple, that would be an ID of, I believe 6. Yeah, 6. See, so the give command, give whatever drinks you want, give myself from the different bar. So another feature in the premium version is, as you can see, the gambler villagers. So to spawn one of these guys, all you got to do is stand wherever you want to spawn them and face where you want him to be looking, and just do bar spawn the name of the whatever you want the villager's name to be. So we'll do give them a color code, gambler. Oh, and if you want to do spaces, just use underscores and it'll replace itself. GamblerMan2, and then the ID of what bar you want him to open. So we'll have him open the second bar. So GamblerMan2, and when you right click on him, it'll open up the bar ID that you want. These guys don't die, you can't kill them, you can't drop sand on them, they don't catch on fire, they don't drown, and if you hit the blocks out from underneath them, they're not going anywhere. So, yep, they're safe. And they, you can't push them, they won't move. So when you do want to remove one of these guys, all you need to do is give yourself a golden carrot, and there's a permission, of course, for this. Not just anyone can do it. You can find that permission on the plugin page. But you just take a golden carrot and then you right click them, and it'll remove the villager gamblers. So that's how you get rid of those guys. And then also the bar help menu. So this is what an admin sees. There's 2 different help menus. So for example, if I didn't have all the GambleBar permissions, if I didn't have GambleBar, I think it's gamblebar.admin.help. If I just had gamblebar.help, it would show me a different help menu. And in the default messages.yml file, that would just include GambleBar, open a specific ID and then the help menu. And it wouldn't show them how to remove an NPC, spawn one, or give a drink to a player because, your players don't need to see that.